name is Heather Martinez. I'm a senior product manager here at Gateway Genomics. And what Gateway Genomics does is we have the Sneak Peek product, which is an early gender DNA test that women can take when they're as early as 8 weeks into their pregnancy to find out the sex of their baby. So what we've been doing with HIC is we're actually launching a new product, which is a DNA test that's geared towards infants and children. And so with this DNA test, we need to collect a lot more information from our patients comparatively to what we do with the gender test. So we need to collect obviously all of their demographic information, name, address, phone number, etc. And then we also need to have our Salesforce organized into families, since we are testing infants and children. So for example, we could have the Martinez family that might have a mother, a father, and 2 children under that same account. So we had to set it up that way. And secondly, we have all of our phenotype information for the test, so the traits that the person has, for example, brown hair, curly hair, blue eyes, etc., will be stored in Salesforce. Additionally, we had a lot of other needs that we needed to set up in Salesforce. We needed to connect it to the portal that we are using to report our results. And then we also wanted to send out triggered emails about different parts of the testing process. So for example, when the sample arrives at our facility, an email is triggered when the DNA is isolated, different parts of the procedure. We also needed our lab members to be able to upload data to the Salesforce easily. And so they're able to upload a CSV with the data into Salesforce. So we started working with HIC several months ago. And so we basically brought them in to build out our database to figure out how to get this family hierarchy done, to figure out how to get all of our data that we needed built out. They did an amazing job getting our database organized and having all the functionality that we needed in there. Helped us with things like how we're going to connect it to our portal. Everything is connected now. Our portal is live, and we're collecting data and sharing data in our portal now. And then after the original project was done, which was just to build it out, we continued to work with HIC to just continue making little changes as we needed them. When things came up and we realized that we needed something else that we hadn't thought of before, we just let them know, and they went in and added that, made the change. And then when we started with our triggered emails, that's what we've just been finishing up lately. Basically, they built out all of our emails, got the triggers working, and got that all done for us. So basically, without HIC, we would not have been able to launch our product. So they helped us out in a timely manner, got everything done, and it's been really great working with HIC, so I highly recommend them. Thank you.